Hey guys, today I just want to make a quick video because we've had a customer that came in with a 2012 Fiat 500C, and the problem that they're complaining about was that after shutting the vehicle off, the radio wouldn't turn off. Like right now, keys off, vehicle's off, hit the lock button to shut it off. It's been about 5 minutes and the radio is still on. And I'm surprised at how many people actually don't know the radio timeout feature of this vehicle, because all you have to do to fix this is turn your vehicle on so you don't kill the battery here. But basically, you're going to go into hit menu and radio off will appear. It might be on something like speech volume or whatever. You just scroll down or up until radio off appears. And the weird thing about these Fiats is that, see how it's set to 20 minutes? I'm going to hit the side arrow here. It's going to change to 0. And that's all you got to do, really, to get that problem solved. It's weird how it goes from 0 to 20 and nothing in between. Like somebody's going to sit in their car for 20 minutes listening to the radio after it's shut off. But yeah, after you set it to 0, hit menu again, go back to your main thing, shut the car off, and boom, radio shuts off with it. So yeah, just want to make that simple little video just in case there's anyone out there that thought their car had an issue because the radio wouldn't time out after a minute or two like most vehicles do. It's a weird Fiat quirk, but that's how you fix it. Thanks for watching, guys.